Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the controller safe. Remove the battery pack and any power source, then unscrew the shell and separate halves. Once open, lift the ribbon cable and unplug the ZIF connector so you can access the joystick PCB without strain. You want to see the joystick pins clearly. Apply a little flux to help heat transfer. Next, heat each joystick pin and remove solder with a wick or pump. This frees the old potentiometer, so you can pull it straight out without tearing the PCB. Once the old unit is out, check the replacement against the board so pins align perfectly. Trim leads if needed. Tin the board pads and the joystick pins with a small amount of solder. This helps form clean joints instantly. You should work with a grounded iron around 350 to 370 degrees Celsius and make each joint fast. Touch, feed solder, remove. Make sure the part sits flush and solder flows smoothly. Flux helps. Finally, inspect for bridges and correct any cold joints with a quick reheat. After soldering, reseat the ribbon cable and ZIF connector, then reassemble the shell with the screws in their original holes to avoid stress. Power on the controller and immediately test both axes. Use the system's stick calibration or a diagnostic app to confirm smooth movement and no dead zones. If you see drift or intermittent readings, remove the shell and reflow suspect joints, check traces with a multimeter, and consider replacing the module again if continuity fails. This single
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.